Is 12-minute affiliate system worth it? Well, let's take a look and let's do a review of this program. So I'm inside 12-minute affiliate members area, and if you watch this video till the end, I will show you how you can get special bonuses that will help you on your affiliate marketing journey that you can't get anywhere else. So let's dive right into it. So when you purchase this system, you basically first you need to finish quick start checklist, and so you pick your niche, you create your free affiliate account, get autoresponder, and you get like step-by-step instructions what to do. And then here are like steps that you need to do to succeed with 12-minute affiliate system. So first you need to quick start checklist, right? And then you can start ordering traffic, stuff like that. Here you can get coaching, one-on-one coaching, and then for platinum members, here you have information about your account. Now here is depending on the niche that you choose. There are 3 niches. Either you choose home business or health niche or relationship, right? So I picked home business, and here you can get instant or custom funnels. So you can get like instant, and they are using Aweber autoresponder, both for email automation and for funnels. So you can generate it here. And then here you can get done for you traffic. They explain like how it works and everything. Get traffic, choose the type of traffic. Oh, so the third niche is not relationship, but it's called personal development. Right? So I'm in my make money home business niche, so I pick this, choose how much traffic, and for 100 visitors you pay $99. Now this may seem like a lot for some people. Like if you are on budget, then it may be expensive for you. I will show you how you can get traffic for free if you watch this video till the end. So then you just paste your URL here, you are good to go. And then you have some other traffic methods here, my autoresponders, and domains, education center. So you have also some, you can go there and watch training, email swipes, right? So you don't have to create emails from scratch. You get 80 emails. This is super valuable because it takes forever to build emails from scratch. And I like that they teach you how to do this business properly, because emails are actually, your email is something that where your money actually is. So, and that's why most affiliates fail, because they don't build their own email list, but the money is in the follow-ups and in the emails. And here are some integrations and personal development, and so you can study. And here are top affiliate products that they recommend to promote, right? So 12-minute affiliate system like is the first one. And guys, I double checked it. I took a look on ClickBank, and it's really one of the best performing programs on ClickBank. I can show you real quick. So when you are in marketplace in ClickBank, and when you go to e-business and e-marketing, and you sort it by gravity, then you see right here 12-minute affiliate system. It's performing really well. Gravity is pretty high. That means tons of affiliates are making money with it, right? So it's not biased or anything. It's performing really well. But you have also other products that you can promote. Super affiliate system or 6-figure success academy, product commissions. So you can pick whatever you like. So is it worth it? 12-minute affiliate system. Well, so affiliate marketing strategies that are covered in this program are working right now. So that's a plus. There is easy to follow process that even your grandma can set up. It teaches you how to build an email list. I talked about it already. So this is vital for your business to succeed. And you get proven done for you affiliate sales funnel, so you don't have to build them from scratch. And you don't have to create your own product, because that's time consuming. You need to invest a lot of money into that maybe, so you can just start promoting products that's already working. And you also can have everything set up by 12-minute affiliate system team and don't have to worry about all that technical stuff. Now some cons, that paid traffic on their platform that I talked about can be expensive for some folks. But I have a bonus for you that called Traffic Hacks that will help you generate free traffic if you are on budget. And also another minus is that there could be more one-on-one help, and this part can be fixed also with our bonuses. And we'll provide you as much one-on-one help as you need to become successful. So final verdict is like 12-minute affiliate system is really perfect for beginners and people who would like to start making at least those 6 figures with affiliate marketing and become financially free. So it's not for really advanced affiliate marketers making like 7 figures. Because it's really for newbies preferably, and for people who want to grow to that 6 figures. So our final rating is 4.85 out of 5. Okay, and if you would like to test it out, then I'd like to show you how to get free bonuses that will help you succeed with 12-minute affiliate system. So the first bonus is you will get access to my Affiliate Secrets program. It will help you build profitable business with one of the best affiliate programs out there, ClickFunnels. And I will show you all the tricks how to make $500 a week as a ClickFunnels affiliate, and more. And then bonus number 2, I'll teach you how to build funnels in my Funnel Mastery program. Bonus number 3, I'll show you how to build digital courses. And then bonus number 4, I will share with you my done for you high converting email automations. And here is the traffic hacks. You will learn how to generate free traffic on social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn. You will get bonus number 6, access to our private family Facebook group, so you never feel stuck and can actually succeed. And extra bonus for you is that one-on-one help and mentorship with me. Okay, so you can get as much need as you need to become successful. So if you want to test it out, just click that link. So here you can read about my story. And affiliate marketing, changed everything for me, and I want to help you so you can achieve the transformation as well. And so to get these bonuses that one-on-one help from me, all you need to do is just try the 12-minute affiliate system with the link that you find on this website, on this page. So you just click that and it will redirect you to official 12-minute affiliate system page. And then after you join, you just send us your ClickBank receipt. Right? Once you purchase 12-minute affiliate system, you will get the receipt from ClickBank and then forward it to this email, and the email title should be 12-minute affiliate system bonuses. Okay, so just make sure that when you will be signing up, you use the link that you can find on this page. I will get a little commission from that, but in exchange I will be able to get you these bonuses and that one-on-one help and everything that you need. So the step number 3, once we confirm your purchase and receive the commission for the sale, we will give you the immediate access to the bonuses. Okay, so if you want to test it, it costs less than a cup of coffee, and it's totally worth it for the money that it costs. The value that you get is insane. So you just click the link, it will redirect you to official page, and you can test it out. If you don't like it, you can cancel, right? And it will cost you just $10, under $10. And you can look like insane results this program is bringing for people, right? You can check that out on the official page. Okay, so click that link, it will take you to my page, and from my page, if you want to test the program, you just click my link and that will redirect you to official page. And if you join, I'm looking forward to start working with you and to help you generate those commissions. Okay, so let's do this, you and me. Let's do this together.